What is up YouTube? This is Mayank Sharma from Varchaswa Trading. I welcome you all to our channel, and let's see, in this video we'll discuss what were our views for the markets and how markets behaved and what kind of gains we did today. Okay, so without any further ado, let's get started. Let's have a recap of today and let's see the plan for tomorrow. So let's begin. So if anyone remembers, yesterday I told you the level of 16400, right? I told you the level of 16400 to 16440 to 16440. Give me one moment. To 16440. Yesterday these were my levels. I told you I will not, even if markets were to open flattish above these areas, I will not look to enter into call position. I'll trail my longs and then I'll look to sell around these areas. This was my plan. This was what we covered in video yesterday. You can see the video in our channel, and these were my levels to get short. And do you see what markets did here? Not even a single candle was able to close above 16400. These are not support resistance, these are not order blocks, these are just our algorithmic levels, right, which we use in Varchaswa. So if you want to learn how to catch such tops and such bottoms again and again, and if you want to learn from us, we do take in a limited number of students under our wings and teach them and make them trade independently. So if that is something you're interested in, kindly DM us and we'll get you started as soon as possible. So now let's discuss what was the kind of RR. Even if you were to take this as our stop loss, this was not our stop loss, but even if, let's suppose if you took this as an SL, even if you took this as an SL, the levels, you still would be able to clock more than 1:5 or approximately 1:5 or, yeah, approximately 1:5 or. But this was not our trade. Our trade was somewhat of a 1:11 around trade which we took right along here. So this was the discussion for yesterday, and I told you one thing. That everyone will be looking to long here. Everyone will be looking to long here, and but I am not. I am not looking to long here. Let me give you some quick learning, right? Let me give you some quick learning. So see here what happened. Each time market after a fall created a base. Base means it halted, right? Market fell down, it halted, and then a up move, right? Here also, if we see what happened here, a downfall, market halted, and then an up move. But don't you think that these buyers will be exhausted? These buyers around this area will be exhausted. They are not able to give the same momentum this time. These are not able to give the same momentum. And if you see how many people would have taken this breakout trade when this candle was being created, this was a resistance level for most people. This was a resistance level for more people, and people would start going long somewhere along the breakout of this, right? Somewhere along the breakout of this area. But that is not how we trade, right? We focus more on risk to reward ratio. So let's see what markets can do tomorrow. And as I told you, we are still trading in the range. What is our range? Range is our from this area to this area. This big is our range. This is how big our range is. So let's see the plan for tomorrow. Okay, without any further ado, I'll not waste much time in this video. So do you see this candle? This candle, the high of this candle, this was a pure manipulation candle. Why was this candle formed? When this candle was forming, markets opened here, they went here, people started buying because this was apparently a breakout trade, and then when markets created that, people started selling. Markets will always trap both buyers and sellers before giving a good move. See, this is also where people bought, break and retest, and then this. So now this area will be more crucial to us. Now this high won't hold any significance for us. Now the important high for us will become this, the high of this candle. If markets are able to, this again is an trade based on algorithmic level, right? Yeah, the high of this candle, this is our algorithmic level. If markets are able to sustain above this, what was this level? 16350. So let me just mark this level and it will help you. 16350. If markets are able to close and sustain above this level, if we are sustaining above this level, then these highs will not be any problem for us. Then these highs will not be any hurdle for us. There is no selling pressure here. Now if markets are able to sustain above 16350, what are the targets we can expect? We can expect the targets of at least this. We will expect the targets of this, and if these targets are achieved, we can see 16600 intraday itself. But the most important thing is markets should go here and market should sustain this level. Market should not do something like this, right? Market should sustain this level, and if market sustain above the level of 16,350, we can see the targets of 16,480. Let me just make it more precise. 16,480, somewhere along these highs, right? Yeah, somewhere along these common highs, and we can see this gap filling trade to if markets are able to sustain this. Now what is the point below which we look for pure selling side momentum? Below which we look for pure selling side momentum, right? Below which we will see pure selling side momentum. Now let me show you again one algorithmic level. Do you see this candle? Do you see this candle, right? Do you see this candle? Not once market were able to breach this. Market respected this level pretty much. And what is this level? And if I show you, see, markets here touched that level precisely and then went up. So as per our algorithmic levels, this is just one of the confluence which we use here at Varchaswa. We don't just use algorithmic levels, we have more stuff too, but yeah. So what is the level for downside? 16,125. If markets are able to, give me one moment, 16,125, if markets are able to sustain below this level. See, I am not asking you to take a breakdown trade again. If markets went down there in opening itself, don't short this ASAP. Wait for the sustainability. What markets can do, they can just go here and then do something like this, which you wouldn't like, right? So what I wanted to do, I wanted to be patient and let this level break, let's see some price action below this area. And once we see that okay, the candles are not able to close above this, you can short, you can take a good shorting opportunity. But targets you will see below 16,125, markets will easily go to 16,000, and we can also see 16,700. Okay, yeah, we can even see 15,700, 15,780, sorry, 15,780 to be precise. So these are our levels for tomorrow on Nifty. And again, as Bank Nifty, I'll avoid trading for a while because the range in Bank Nifty is pretty high. So our stop loss, give me one moment please. Yeah, I don't know what problem it is having. Okay, so if you see the ranges in Bank Nifty is pretty high and the stop loss will be very high, and I don't like to take a huge SL trade. So Bank Nifty I'll avoid for some time. And if you want such guidance even in live market, so that you don't take wrong trade and you are not on the negative side of the market and you are actually making huge money with us, this is our free Telegram channel. We already have 808 members, and this is how we guide in channel. See, don't in a 1 p.m. along 2 p.m. sorry, near 2 p.m. I told everyone not to create long positionals, and if you are in long trail, what was that level? If I show you, 2 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 2 o'clock, somewhere along this area, 2 o'clock, that was the precise stop, right? This was the precise stop. Somewhere along here, I told people not to look for long positions. Even if there was a breakout, let markets go. We don't want to take participation in such entries. And after, as soon as we message, this is the magnificent fall which we took. This is the magnificent fall of more than, I think this was more than, yeah, more than 230 points. 230 points is like 11,000 per lot in Nifty, one lot future. So this is the kind of money we are freely giving on our free Telegram channel. So if you are new to our YouTube channel, do subscribe and join this Telegram channel. The link will be in the description. This channel will help you in the live market to be on the correct side of the market and to actually be able to make money, right? And if you want to learn how to trade like us, and if you want to trade in live markets with us, we do provide mentorship programs. So kindly check that out if that is something you will be interested in. And do like, comment and subscribe this channel, and share this video with your trading buddy so that it can help them also. Sharing is caring, and I will see you tomorrow in the live market, and I wish you all the best and a pretty good night. I'll see you tomorrow, and yeah, bye.